Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and I'm back for Helga's Happy Holidays. I'm a little late this year, but better late than never. Today is a simple, no-bake, easy dessert appetizer gift. I'm making Bailey's chocolate truffle balls. So let's get to it. You'll like this. If you like chocolate, you really like this, and the Bailey's really adds to it. But it's fun to gift, and it's fun to take, and it's fun to have out for parties. And it's just fun to snack on. So let's get to it. So you'll need cocoa powder and Bailey's and graham cracker crumbs and condensed milk, Bailey's, and shredded coconut and sprinkles. So I was fortunate enough to get my graham cracker crumbs already crumbed, and it saves time this year, which is really important. This year's been kind of crazy for me, so I'll take any nice little shortcut like that I can. Then we're going to add our cocoa powder, our Bailey's, good to the last drop, and our condensed milk. We're going to mix this up well, and after we get it mixed well, we're going to put it in the fridge and let it chill about half an hour. Then we'll form little balls out of it and roll it in our sugar, or sprinkles, or coconut. It's all mixed. We're going to put it in the fridge and let it chill half an hour. So our dough is chilled. Form it into little balls, compact as much as you can. And then I have some Christmas sugar here. Roll it in that. And there you go. That's the Christmas sugar. And then we'll do one in coconut. And there we go with the coconut one, coconut covered one. So you know what comes next. So here's a bunch of them that are done, and they look yummy. I'm going to try a coconut one. See the middle? Taste the Bailey's. These are good. Be really yummy with a cup of coffee, maybe even Irish coffee. If I were going to do these again, I think I would use the chocolate crumbs instead of the graham crackers, just to give it more of a richer chocolate taste. But other than that, it's delicious. And I think you could use Kahlua instead of Bailey's for this too, if you wanted to try something a little different. But I'm definitely not saying no to these. These are really yummy. These are fun to take away. They freeze well, and honestly, I think I could eat them all day long. So it's better to take them away. The guys at work will benefit from these guys this time. I'll take them into work. There's a bunch of them. I've only got probably about a third of them made up. So, like I said, I'll give you the basic recipe. You could go a little heavier with the Bailey's, a little less if you don't want. You'll just need to keep your ratios in sync so that it's not too dry or too wet to be able to form your balls and then roll them in the sugar. But otherwise, yeah, these are delicious. But like I said, next time I think I'm going to do them with the chocolate crumbs, and I think that'll just put them right over the top. So, Bailey's Christmas truffle balls. Give it a try. Something to put out this year. It's a little different. It's kind of fun. And Yeah, yummy. Happy holidays.